I am Green Mask, and today I'm going to teach you to make a game where you cut apples, and whenever you cut an apple, you get points. I wish you have seen my earlier videos, so now let's get started. Okay, now let's see the game first. So this is the game which I made. Let's see it. Oh, this. Can you see? So whenever the sword hits the apple cuts itself and the points start changing. Can you see? Now let us stop the game. Let's see the game in full screen. Whoa. See? So wherever you move the mouse, the sword follows it. And whenever the apple hits the sword, it cuts. Okay, now let's see how to make this game. Now let's start with the game. So now first you need to take an apple, then make the costumes. After that you can choose whatever backdrop you want. Now do you remember how to do a backdrop? Yes. So first you need to click on the backdrop button and then choose any backdrop you want. I want a wall. So I am typing wall in the search button. Now you need to make the apple move in a random position. So first for every project, what is the block? Correct. It's when clicked. Now we need to make it turn. So in which group of blocks you need to go? Yes, it needs to be in motion. So we need to make it like point in direction 45. Then you need to make this go again and again and again and again and never stop it. So what is it? Correct, it's forever. Now what you need to do is make it move in a random position. So we need to put glide 1 second to random position. You need to change this 1 to 1.5. Then what you need to do is you need to make it bounce on the edge. So you need to do if on edge bounce. This if on edge bounce is same in the motion only. Now let's see if the code works. It's working. But we need to not make this go slow. So let's change this. Let's change it into 0.5 seconds. This is the one. Now what you need to do is you need to take the sword sprite. This doesn't come in the sprite over here, so you need to upload it. So now here is the sword. So go back to the apple. So go actually to sword, and then what you need to do is again you need to take when clicked. After that forever. Then you need to tell set x2 and then set y2. Now we have to go to sensing, mouse X. So we need to put this mouse X inside this hole and the mouse Y inside this too. Now let's see. See? So the sword is going wherever the mouse is going. Do you know what set X means? Set X means the X of the sword, and mouse X means the X of the sword should be the X of the mouse. And set Y is the sword's Y, and mouse Y is the mouse's Y. So it's telling that set Y to mouse Y means set your Y to the mouse's Y. And then in the apple, what it says is when the flag is clicked, point in the direction 45. Forever, you need to glide 0.5 seconds to random position. If it's on the edge, it will bounce. Now, what you need to do is go to this variables and then click on make a variable. What you need to do is you need to click on that and you get this. So you need to type the variable. Score is the variable's name. So type it. This thing will be in for all splits, not for only this split. Now can you see the score over here? Yeah, so it's a variable. So it shows the number of points you got. Now you need to go to the apple and then go to control. Then take this if then block. Then go to sensing and then touching mouse pointer. But you should not make the apple touch your mouse. So you need to make it touch the sword. After that, what you need to do is you need to go to looks. Then you need to take the switch costume and then go to control. Wait 1 second. So what you need to do is switch costume to apple, wait for 1.5 seconds, and then you need to again go to. So now what happens is, so now the wait should be actually 0.5 seconds. So this I am trying to make like whenever this apple touches the sword, switch costume to the cut apple. Then we need to wait, and then I want it to change into the next second costume, which is cut apple 2. Then it will turn into cut apple 3 and then back to its normal position. So now let's do that. So again we need it with switch costume and keep it cut apple 2. And then we need to go to control, wait 1 sec, take the wait 1 seconds block and then change it into 0.5 seconds. After that again you need to go to looks, switch costume to cut apple 3 and then again you need to go to the controls, wait 1 seconds and then put 0.5 seconds. So what happens is I'm making like this the apple. So first it goes like this, then this and then this. Now what you need to do is you need to go back to the looks and just put switch costume to apple. After that, now let's see if the code works. Oh, it's working. But it doesn't look that good. So we can also put a sound. I have made my sound. Shing! Oh, that's the warm sound which 8 gave, but this is the sound which I made. So we need to go to the code and go to the sound and then drag this. Put it over here and then put your recording. After that, you need to go to the variables. Set my variable to 0. Take this, put it and score. Change that variable to score. Then click on take this change my variable by 1 and put it on top over here. Not only, you can keep it in anywhere you want, but this code should be inside the if one because that only says when it needs to work. Now you need to change this my variable to score. Now let's see if it works. Yeah, the score turned into 1. Whenever it cuts, it turns the score to 1. Yippee, now it's 2. See, so this game is the game. So you can name the Scratch project and save it because that's important. If you don't save it, it will get lost. You can name it in your favorite name. I'm naming it Cut Apple Game. So look, you can also create games in Scratch. So after doing that, remember what you need to do? Yeah, you need to save it. I'm saving it the same name. Yeah. So now it's time to say bye. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe it. Thanks.